the account ones are usually the ones that I also use for user properties. So user properties is a different concept. So it's like the properties that I can send with one user when I define and identify them. And I set them here as different kind of properties. So I could, for example, do like the account ID, which is then user account ID. So I cannot reuse the same one that I have defined here. So it has to be unique. And so I can add them here as well. And now I can define all the user properties here as well as I have defined all the event properties. So, but it works in the same way, like the event properties, they are just sent with a different kind of command. Okay, so I think we have covered everything that you need to get started. So this is usually where I would now go in and create the whole tracking plan. And yes, it takes some time. So like this, this is a big one here, so I guess this one would take me 1 or 2 hours to basically create an ARVO. Good thing is, like, because the structure, as I said in this kind of course already, is like the structure is pretty static, so it will not change so much over time. So it's basically a one-time effort and investment to do. But as you saw it, like with all the validation and all the things that you can do put on top, I think it's a well investment in your tracking setup, because tracking setup needs testing and validation. And this is level 1 testing validation. There you need level 2 and 3 and 4 too. And so we will have this in other courses where you can add the different kind of test to the setup as well. But this is level 1 test. And you can already catch important things like I showed you with that we make sure that, for example, we track the right account types. We track the right account status, because we know we have important dashboards are running on that. And I can tell you, if you already have this in place, and what's important is like that you work with 2 stages, and so that you have development and production, and you immediately see when someone is like saying, hey, yeah, actually we have a new version ready on development. Data team, can you quickly make sure that the tracking still fits? I mean, this is super simple. If you get this kind of request, you just go into inspector, you choose development, you run some tests, or maybe they have already run some tests, and you just can look into the data and can see, yeah, I don't have issues with the tracking. So you can deploy. And this is super powerful. So this is extremely powerful, because you know before something goes into production, it has the expected schema and it doesn't break dashboards or reports down the road. Because, I mean, you have different kind of tasks to do, and broken dashboards and reports are it basically makes everyone in data crazy. To then spend half a day that you actually plan to work on something nice, you have to spend, yeah, actually, where is the pipeline broken? And here you immediately will see it's broken on the entry level, but you can prevent it if you use development and production stages and track and check things here. Okay, I hope this helps, and see you in the next course.